Stay powered up and keep on rockin'. Welcome to the Gadget Explained review of the Poweradd Pro, a super portable 20,000 mAh power bank charger. It features a sleek and lightweight design that makes it easy to carry in a bag or pocket without adding bulk. It offers a convenient and space-saving option for quick power boosts when needed. With a capacity of 20,000 mAh, the Poweradd Pro Powerbank provides a backup alternative to keep devices running throughout the day. It weighs 325 grams and measures 15.5 centimeters long x 7.5 centimeters wide by 2 centimeters thick. The Powerbank is made of matte textured plastic and includes an LED display that shows the battery percentage. Operating the Poweradd Pro is simple with a single multifunctional button. The button activates low power mode and allows you to manually turn off the display, putting the Powerbank into sleep mode. When a load is detected, the Powerbank automatically powers on. After 50 seconds of inactivity, the digital display turns off automatically. The Powerbank integrates two input charging ports, USB-C and micro USB, and two output charging ports, USB-A and USB-C. The input charging ports support between 10 watts, minimum, and 18 watts, maximum, while the output ports support 15 watts, 18 watts, and 20 watts. Fast charging is only supported when using a single port. The Poweradd Pro is compatible with various devices, including the latest iPhone models, Galaxy smartphones, iPads, and Huawei devices. It supports variable voltage and current, offering versatility in charging. Some considerations to note: the Poweradd Pro does not support quick charge protocols such as QC4+ and QC 4.0. Fast charging is not available when using multiple ports simultaneously. The Powerbank cannot be powered off. It can only be put into sleep mode. It features a digital battery display instead of LED lights. Qi wireless charging is not supported. The package includes a short USB-A to USB-C cable. The Powerbank is available for purchase on Amazon. It comes with a 2